Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mycelium bricks easy guide. Sterilize substrate, mix spawn at 5 to 10% ratio, pack into mold tightly and incubate. Monitor humidity and temperature, trim excess mycelium, dry slowly to harden, and seal with natural finish for durability. These steps give a clear path from waste substrate to lightweight, compostable building blocks you can test in small projects easily today. Mix substrate evenly and keep moisture like a wrung-out sponge, then inoculate using clean technique. Fill molds in thin layers, compress gently to remove air pockets, and incubate in dark at 24 degrees C for colonization. Demold when mycelium seams are visible, dry slowly to prevent cracking, and test small pieces for strength before scaling up to larger bricks or panels for construction. Use natural fibers for reinforcement and document each batch to refine your mix ratios. Curing and finishing matters for long-term performance, so sand edges and apply breathable sealers. Test compressive strength with simple weights and log results to improve recipes, adding reinforcements like hemp or straw as needed. Practice lab safety, wear gloves and masks during inoculation, and dispose of contaminated batches responsibly. Small experiments help identify the best substrate blends and incubation times for reliable, reproducible mycelium bricks and record environmental data for every run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.